guy will go back to your profile and check it out, and if you have lots of recommendations on your profile, and your profile is well filled out, and you explained your job well, and you know what you're doing today is is customized every single day, then chances are that he will connect with you. New contacts you send to everyone that you make contact with daily.
Yeah. So let's just keep it as 10 we have to do daily. Anything more is better, much better, but we should keep 10 as a target.
And in case your templates again should be on everybody's desktop. It should be a cut and paste job for everyone. Also, people who invite you to connect with them. Like I get more invites than I've never sent out actually. I have to say that's ridiculous, but I have never sent out a LinkedIn invite, which I think I should start doing consciously. This 10 every day will be a good discipline for me. Because I get 100, right now also I think I have some 300 mails I haven't even replied to in my LinkedIn. Yeah, it's like disgusting. I had outsourced this at some point in time. I used to pay people money to accept. Yeah, I used to tell my son, get onto it, and you go through the people who are sending me those mails who want to connect with me, and you just press accept or ये cut and paste करके reply उनको भेज देना वापस. Which says, hi, thanks for connecting with me. Or it's a pleasure to connect with you on LinkedIn. Please let me know if I can be of any help professionally. Also, when you respond to every response, then you get a rating there by the users. And I think I've maintained that 5-star rating right through. Because I to every mail I get, I don't press just accept. I always write a
thank you.
Thanks for connecting on LinkedIn. Do let me know if I can be of any help professionally. That template should be on your desktop. Thank you template LinkedIn. Click on it. Then every time you do cut and paste, you keep doing it again and again and again if you've got lots of invites. But very, very important to respond back.
And also
because that builds your credibility on LinkedIn. You get those ratings. So if your that star rating is poor, then when people are hunting for you, hunting for a search consultant, chances are they won't contact you. They'll contact somebody else.
Even if somebody accepts your invite, then send a thank you that thanks for accepting the invite.
Yeah, or yeah, both. And please let me know if I can be of any help professionally. That kind of thing.
There's one more way of skipping that I don't know users. Sometimes when you join a group, there are a lot of people who share their mail ID. So you can always use that mail ID, and if you use that mail ID, probably if there won't be any option of I don't know you. I don't know the user.
Okay.
So you can probably skip that 5-way kind of getting blocked on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Because you see, I'm connected to you on this group, and I'd like to connect with you individually. That kind of thing. Yeah, and I think you can be a part of 50 groups, and I think conscious effort in the company, we should be a part of separate groups. We shouldn't have more than 10 groups that overlap between any two people. Sumant, you're very inactive on LinkedIn.
I try and be more active.
It can change your professional life. So.
And also every week at least, I can say this for operating team, you will talk to at least 2 or 3 people where you would have a very good connect with them. These would be new contacts for you, but you'll connect with them at a very positive note and all of that. Make an effort, send them a reco request.
And I don't write those standard requests because nobody responds to that.
Yeah.
You have to write that we met for this and this assignment, and I'd be very happy if you could give me a recommendation based on our meeting. Like a lot of people say, I've never met a consultant like you're very nice, you guys gave me very good debrief, your pitch was very good. Instantly ask them that, can I request you to please send me a LinkedIn recommendation? I'll be sending you a mail. All you have to do is write a recommendation. The more recommendations you have, the better it is for you. Placed candidates se to hamesha liya karo. Your brand in the digital space will become really robust. And the future is all on the net. Huh? So your presence and visibility on the net will be more important than who you are in real life.
let's keep a target of sending 1 reco request a week. We'll make it more, but let's keep a target of 1 reco a week. Okay, groups, Shreya has already explained.
You should certainly have it from your colleagues, I mean, you should definitely have it from all your colleagues. Colleagues and immediate clients that you work with and all placed candidates in the year past. Please send them reco requests.
No, when we joined just after the training, Visor, I, Sumant and Ashik realized we all have 5 connections on LinkedIn. So after every third day, Sumant used to come and now, I made 50 ho gaya, I made 70 ho gaye. So initially we had this competition thing going, kiske connections zyada honge, it's kind of all died down now.
No, he's not active on
100, I think. Sumant has crossed 120, no? Sumant, you've crossed 120?
107.
Yeah, so he's crossed.
But you've got to be like in the 1,000 leagues to be somebody on LinkedIn, otherwise you're a nobody.
Open LinkedIn every day. Consciously.
LinkedIn का window खुला ही रखा कर अपने system में. मतलब हमेशा minimize करके.
Can you imagine why I'm not opening mine? जब वो अर्पिता का इंसिडेंट हुआ था तब से मेरा पासवर्ड चेंज हो गया है and I don't know the new password You know, if person ask विवेक, फिर वो मुझे स्काइप पे भेजता है, तब तक किसी की कॉल आ जाती है, कोई कुछ आ जाता है, कोई मेरे कमरे में आ जाता है, वो लिंक्डइन खुलता ही नहीं है. I see it every day on my phone. इतनी सारी मेल्स बढ़ती जा रही है, but on the phone you can't accept and
No, you can accept, but
But
it
you
will
can't
direct you. It will direct you back to the LinkedIn site. You'll have to enter the password.
There has to be a LinkedIn strategy. Right, I'm sorry we're piling on the work to you, but
ये content वाला करेगा ना ये.
नहीं, but जब तक content वाला नहीं आता है, at least जो हमने यहाँ discussion किया है, somebody has to play it back to people and say this is. And then you know she has to be aware because she is the one who will do random checks in the company. She one week she'll pick up Visa. She will monitor Visa, everything that she does. उसने research strategy भेजी कि नहीं, research enter किया कि नहीं, telecom updation हुआ कि नहीं, LinkedIn में क्या कर रही है, कितने names database में add करी. Then 1 week she'll pick up somebody else because she will run the quality checks on the people to see if the processes are being followed, so that we can keep giving people feedback. So she is not going to know everybody at the same point in time, but she may monitor one person for 1 week, another person for another week, another person for another week. So she also has to understand herself that मुझे करना क्या है, मैं उसको क्या monitor कर रही हूँ. She has to have a checklist. So one of her checklists will be 10 LinkedIn every day, 1 reco a week. So now she's making her process checklist of things she needs to check every individual on. Because she will do basically quality and analytics. That's how that link will happen between. That was the ultimate objective of her job. अभी तो इससे हम सब कुछ ही करा रहे हैं. तुम lead भी generate करो, research भी करो, analytics भी करो.
Evaluation में भी बैठ जाओ.
Evaluation में भी बैठ जाओ. But let me tell you, your induction is probably better than any structured induction.
It's been a learning process in the past. I was talking to Alka, I was saying, I was learning everything around the organization which is going on.
Because you're learning through experience, no?
Yeah.
So you're not learning through the induction process where it's. So I think in fact it's been because she's rotated so much, she's done a little bit of this, a little bit of this. It's been very, very good.
Alright, one thing I missed out on the research presentation piece. When you are presenting the research to your consultant, the 5 names that you're giving the first day, do ask them, or it's a process for consultants rather. We need to write down our comments because we will talk to those people and we will write down the comments before we leave. So before every day before 6:30, we just have to send back the list to them with our comments. And on the 3rd day, everything would be compiled. It's very easier when we are making long lists. Otherwise, we keep going back.
I mean, I keep
before the end of the day, you send it back.
Yeah. So that way, everything would be simultaneous.
and not lost, because if we keep it in a research book after 10 days, we remember we spoke to the guy, but we can't find his details.
Yeah.